Alright guys, we're back. Today's episode, the 5th day of Christmas, is brought to you in part at Home Depot. Felt like coming out to the store looking at some stuff tonight. Check this out, this cracks me up. $130 value, guys. This Dremel toolkit is $9. It probably cost Ryobi about $1 to make this. And people believe this crap. $130 value, are you kidding me? What a joke. Alright guys, I'm trying to see if they're dropping any prices. Not really. Still $149, but everybody knows it's really $129. I have it marked down here. They have a list of all the different tools. They've kind of expanded it a little bit to show you that you can get just about anything. So if anybody has any questions, this deal is going until January 29th of 2020, guys. So we still have like 2 months of this sale. Plenty of time. Now, they did drop down the rigid to $169, but that's about it. And they have a couple good clearance deals over here I wanted to show you guys real quick. They got some rigid batteries down to $100. Let's see, these were... I think this is how much they originally were. $14. Okay. So they got the 6 and the 3 octane for $100, right? Then you come up here and they have just the 3 with the crappy charger for $108. Shouldn't this be less than the 2-pack for $100? I don't know. I thought that was kind of funny. Yeah, because this charger is just the standard charger. I don't know. Got the Ryobi miter stands down to $59. Also Menards too, their stand. The green Master Force stand is down to $59.99 this week as well. Okay, so get down to it, guys. What is my pick for day number 5 for good gift ideas for that tool nut in the family? My pick for today is the DeWalt storage system, the stackable DeWalt system. I really like this. So this is the main one, right? Then you click this one on top of this. Then you can click the little one. I'll get them all clicked together here. Then you can click the little one on top of that. See what I'm saying? So all of these stack together like that. Stack and latch. IP53. Really like these cases, guys. These are different than the Milwaukee, and this is not part of the pack out. This is just the Milwaukee organizer. $14, I think. That's the regular price. It says normally 20, but it's been $14 since all the sales started, guys. Little one is $12. It's $11.97. The medium size one, this one right here. So it's got 4 compartments with 5 slots in each one, but you can take the little pieces of plastic out and customize them. So there you go. Essentially, that's what it looks like right there. You got the big one, the medium one, and the little one clips on that. I love the things that snap together like that. So today, my pick, guys, is organization kits. The DeWalt, the Milwaukee, even the Husky tray is not bad. So there you go, guys. Day number 5 at Home Depot. My pick is the DeWalt stack and latch storage system. And then they have the fat one too. But this one, you can't really latch anything onto this one. Except for another thick fat one. See what I'm saying? How you can interlatch these together. Let me show you right quick here. So you set it down, and this just kind of clips. Boop. Boop. Like that. And you got 2 of them. Carry that to the job site and you're all set. So, anybody wants to give me a Christmas present, guys? I'll take any one of these. Alright, so that's the first pick. Let's do 3 gift ideas today. So, that's gift idea number 1. Alright, gift idea number 2 is the Makita LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless combo kit, guys. So you have the impact driver. It comes with 2 3s, the charger in the bag, but this is a 1/2 inch impact wrench. It's only rated, I think, 150 foot-pounds of torque and then 250 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. But still, it's not bad. And this is the same size as the subcompact version. So you can get this kit right here for $1.49. I think I'm going to be getting this on payday, which is coming up. So, again, look at this bull crap. It was $357. It was never $357. Are you kidding me? But it has that right here. This one is pretty slick. Alright, guys. Makita, pick number 2. Alright, here it is. This is the digital one. This is P737D, as in dog. Exact same as the one last night, except for this one has the little digital thing on it right there. So it's $24.97 right now. Goes in the back of the wife's car, kid's car going off to college, hell, even your car. You can't go wrong with this, guys. It says it inflates up to 150 psi. Like I said, it inflates my truck tires, no problem. Pick number 3 for today, loved ones, Ryobi Inflator. Boom. Don't mind the kids screaming in the background. Also, guys, I really need a new sander. So has anybody used the Rigid Octane 5-inch random orbital sander? I really want to try this. Let me know. Alright, guys, those are my 3 picks for today for your loved ones. First pick was the storage system. Second pick was the Makita combo kit. And the third pick is the Inflator. Let me know what we should look at tomorrow. Might do another store video. Depends on how I'm feeling, guys. Everyone have a blessed night. Until tomorrow, see ya.